The Amazing Chicken. In a cozy farmyard, there lived a chicken named Cluck. Cluck was known for her unique features and abilities. Firstly, Cluck had exceptional eyesight, seeing up to 300 degrees around her, helping her detect predators and find food. Secondly, Cluck possessed remarkable hearing, detecting sounds inaudible to humans. Thirdly, Cluck's feathers changed color depending on her mood and environment. Lastly, Cluck could run at incredible speeds, reaching up to 15 miles per hour to escape predators. With her remarkable features and abilities, Cluck thrived in the farmyard, embodying intelligence and adaptability.